Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Klavio on Shopify beginner's tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify, and from here what we're gonna do first is go into the search button once you're logged in, and from here type in Klavio. And then you want to go for this app right here. If you don't have this pop-up, then you can click here on search it on Shopify App Store, and then you can see this app. In this case, I'll just click on Klavio, and from here we'll just be basically installing Klavio into our store. So let's just wait for this one to load and click on install right here, and then you want to wait for that. Click on install and authorize app install right here. So once you have installed Klavio, then you will be redirected to their page right here. So confirm new integration, click on integrate right here. So from here, what you want to do is you want to simply provide your Shopify store URL, but as you can see, it would automatically be pasted right here. So from here, you need to select a list, sync data. So in my case, I'll just go for my email list, or yeah, as you can see, it has now been updated right here, and all I have to do, click on update settings. Click on update right there. And then once you're done with this one, then now you can click on update integration. And now that we have successfully integrated Klavio with our Shopify store, the next thing that we need to do is go here into the sign up forms, because this would be our first thing that we would set up here in Klavio that we'll use in Shopify. But of course, you can also go for flows, for marketing flows right here, marketing emails with Klavio. But in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get started with the sign up forms, just so that I can show you that Klavio works with Shopify store. So from here, what we're gonna do is that this is what we are aiming to have right here in our Shopify store, this pop-up. So from here, we're just gonna choose a template, and then we're just gonna edit it based on what we need. So let's just say with something simple. So let's say this one right here. This is a pop-up one, and then from here you can see it right here, and you can name it. So let's say a sample tutorial, and then you can go for the subscriber list. So in my case, I'll just go for my SM, or maybe I'll just go for my preview list, and click on create form. Once you're done, is that you will now be taken here into this page wherein you would be able to edit this template right here. So this pop-up right here, you can change this logo into whatever you want, but in my case, I will not be changing this one, since I am just showing you how to do this. Instead, I'll just choose the text right here, and I'll just go say something about Black Friday. So let's say Black Friday special for a limited amount of time, for a limited time only. So maybe something like that. And then you can also make this bold if you want to, so you can make it like that. And then you can go here in this box right here, you can go for enter your email here now to join, maybe something like that, and then right there. And then you can also edit the button right here, so you can click on that button, and then from here you can change its color. So maybe you can go for red if you'd want to. You can go for I think I'll just go for something lighter than black, so maybe something like this one right here. And then once you're done with that, then you can also edit a bunch, but we're not going to go through it one by one. I'm just showing you how you can do it. And by the way, you also have this option right here, so that you would be able to see how it looks for desktop and how it looks for mobile right here. And then once you're done with this one, then the next thing is we can now publish this right here. Click on publish. And then as you can see, you have alerts. So we've identified potential issues with your form. Make sure to review them before you make publish changes. So you can review them so that you can make sure that there's nothing wrong. And in this case, I'll just dismiss that, and then just go publish anyway right here, so that we can see now and integrate it into our Shopify store. So now that it has been published, then the next thing that we can do is go into Shopify store, go to our online store, and then from here we are gonna click on the edit right here, or customize here in our Shopify store. Click on that, and now let's just wait for this one to load. And from here, what we're gonna do next to activate the Klavio pop-up form that we have made, is this one, is that we're gonna go click here on the app embeds right here on this button. So click on that and make sure to turn on Klavio. So now that you have turned on Klavio, then you would now have this pop up right here when someone goes into your store. So now to test this out, we need to click on save. And then from here, we'll just go into our Shopify store right here. So we can go and view this. So when we go into our Shopify store, you'd be able to see this pop up now. And this is what we have made with Klavio. And that is basically how you can set your Shopify store with Klavio for beginners. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching.